Investing small amounts regularly can slowly grow into a big fortune over time. Can small daily steps really make us rich in the future? We don't need to be rich or have a lot of money to start. Even small, smart habits can make a huge difference if we follow them consistently. In this video, we will explore simple investing habits that anyone can use to build wealth safely and steadily. These steps are easy to understand, beginner-friendly, and can start working for us today. Stay with us till the end because by the time we finish watching, we will know exactly how to start growing our money the right way. Now let's jump in and get started. Start with small steps. The first habit is to start small. We do not need a lot of money to begin investing. Even $5 or $10 a week can grow a lot over time if we keep doing it. The most important thing is to start today, not wait for tomorrow or next month. Think of it like planting a tiny seed in the soil. A small seed today can grow into a big tree with strong branches and many fruits in the future. Many people wait until they have enough money to start, but that is a big mistake. Time is our best friend in investing. The earlier we start, the more our money can grow. So even if we can only save a small part of our pocket money, we should start now. It is much better to begin small than to never begin at all. Learn before you invest. We should never put our money in something we do not understand. Learning about investing is very important before we begin. We can read simple books, watch easy videos, or ask someone who knows. Understanding basic things like savings accounts, small stocks, and interest helps us make smarter choices. Losing money usually happens when we act without learning. By learning first, we can avoid big mistakes and protect our money. Even if we make a small mistake, learning helps us keep going and improves our choices next time. Start simple, learn slowly, and use this knowledge to grow our money safely. Knowledge is like a map. It shows us the right way and keeps us from getting lost while trying to reach our goals. Make saving a habit. Investing always starts with saving. We cannot invest what we do not save. We should try to save a little money regularly, no matter how small it is. Treat saving like a daily habit, just like brushing our teeth or washing our hands. If we save a little money every week, over months and years it can grow into a big amount. Avoid spending all your pocket money at once on small toys, snacks, or games. Even tiny savings can make a huge difference over time. The key is to be consistent and patient. The more we save regularly, the faster our money grows. Little by little, our savings become a strong base for investing. Use the power of compounding. One of the strongest investing habits is using compounding. Compounding means our money grows not only on the money we saved, but also on the money it earned. If we save $100 and earn 10% interest, next year we earn interest on $110, not just $100. Over time, this keeps growing bigger and bigger, just like a snowball rolling down a hill and getting larger and larger. The earlier we start, the more we benefit from compounding. Even very small amounts matter when we use this habit every month. This is why starting today, even with a little money, can create a big change in the future. Compounding is like magic for our money and helps our small investments become something much bigger over time. Avoid impulse spending. Many people spend money quickly and feel sorry later. If we want to invest, we must avoid buying things we do not need. Simple habits like thinking twice before buying, waiting a day before spending, or saving first and buying later can help a lot. Avoiding unnecessary spending is like watering our money so it can grow strong. Even small unnecessary expenses add up over time and reduce the money we can invest. If we focus on long-term goals instead of short-term wants, our money will grow faster. Patience and control are very important in investing. Smart spending today helps our future self a lot. It also makes saving and investing easier because we do not waste money on things we do not really need. Make a plan and stick to it. A very simple but strong habit is making a plan. Decide how much money you want to save and invest every week or month. Write it down on paper or in a notebook and follow it carefully. A clear plan helps you avoid mistakes and keeps you on the right track. Even if you face small problems like unexpected expenses or emergencies, a plan will guide you back. Many beginners fail because they don't have a plan and just spend money randomly. A plan also helps you know when to add more money or when it is safe to take some out. Remember, investing is not just about money, it is about discipline. The more you follow your plan every day, the better your results will be over time. Diversify your investments. Don't put all your money in one place. This is called diversification. You can divide your money into different options like savings accounts, small stocks, or small businesses. If one option does not do well, the others can protect your money. Diversification is like planting different seeds in a garden. If one seed does not grow, others still can. Beginners often make the mistake of putting all money in one stock or one idea, which is very risky. By spreading your money into small parts, you reduce the chance of losing it and increase the chance to grow it safely. Small steps in different areas give safer growth for your money and protect it from big surprises. Be patient and think long term. Investing is not a race. You will not become rich in one day or one week. Patience is a very important habit. Some investments take months or even years to grow, and the longer you wait, the bigger your money becomes. Avoid the temptation to spend early or sell quickly when you see small gains. Think of your money like a tree. You water it every day, care for it, and wait patiently for fruits to grow. Many beginners give up too soon because they want fast results. If we keep our money invested for many years, it can grow much more than we expect. The habit of patience is what separates successful investors from others. Long-term thinking helps our money grow safely and steadily. Learn from mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes when starting investing. Even the richest investors made errors at the beginning. The habit of learning from mistakes is very powerful. If you lose money or make a wrong choice, do not feel sad or stop. Instead, think carefully about what went wrong and learn from it. Mistakes are like lessons for the future. Beginners often feel scared when they make errors, but every small mistake teaches something new. Over time, these lessons will make investing easier, smarter, and safer. Remember, failure is not the end. It is a step towards success. Learning from mistakes helps us grow stronger as investors. Automate your investments. A smart habit is making your investing automatic. You can set up small amounts to go automatically into savings accounts or stocks every week or month. This way, you do not have to think or remember every time. Automation makes investing easier and more consistent. Even students or busy people can grow money automatically without stress. Many successful people use automation to build wealth slowly. It is like planting seeds every month without forgetting, so your money grows steadily and safely. Start small and let technology help your money grow without extra effort. Automatic investing builds a strong habit over time. Keep learning and improving investing is a skill that grows with learning. Read simple books, watch easy videos, or ask smart people for advice. Try to learn a little every day, even 5 or 10 minutes. The more we know, the better decisions we make. Even small knowledge can prevent big mistakes. Successful investors never stop learning. If we stop learning, we may miss good opportunities to grow our money. Remember, investing is a lifelong journey. By learning every day, our small habits turn into huge results over time. Knowledge helps our money grow faster and makes investing safer and more fun. Simple habits can help us become rich slowly but surely. We can start today by saving a little money, learning new things, and making small investments regularly. Even very small steps are important and can grow into big results over many years. Share this video with friends and family who want to learn how to save and invest. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more simple tips about money and success. Remember, it is never too early or too late to start growing our wealth. One small habit today can turn into a big fortune in the future. Let's get started and take the first step towards smarter money today.